How to fix WhatsApp status couldn't send problem. Hello friends, welcome back to another video with problems and solutions. And if you are watching our video for the first time, then do visit us and subscribe our channel. And also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any kind of update from our channel. So guys, if you're facing this problem of not being able to upload your status on WhatsApp, whenever you try to upload any status on WhatsApp, if you happen to see this error written couldn't send on your status column, then worry not, I have the solutions. First of all, go to WhatsApp and then go to your status column and then click on the three dots and then go to your WhatsApp setting and then go to data and usage and enable the low data usage. Now go back and retry uploading your status. Sometimes our data becomes very heavy, so it couldn't be uploaded. So you can try this method to solve this problem. So try doing what I've just shown you. This will work, and if it doesn't work also, it's fine. Worry not, we have more solutions. So the next solution is go to your device setting. After going to the device setting, as you can see the airplane mode, you turn it on and then switch off your device and then restart it again and go to your WhatsApp and try uploading it again. It should work now, and if it doesn't work also, don't worry, we have one more solution. We have come out with 3 solutions today. So the third solution is a permanent and a sure solution which will really work. Go to your device setting, go to application manager or app management. So here we can see all the applications, all the installed applications of our devices. So let's find out WhatsApp here. And after getting WhatsApp, let's go into it. And then after getting into the WhatsApp, let's force stop it. We need to force stop it and then go in storage usage after force stopping it. Here we can clear all the data. But remember one thing, once we clear the data of our WhatsApp will be fresh and new like before, and we need to log in again and verify our mobile number to use it. So if you want to take a small trouble of logging it again and verifying your number again, you can go with this method and clear the data. After clearing the data, go back and go to app permission and allow all the permissions. Now go to WhatsApp and log in, and you will find that all the problems has been solved. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.